Hello everyone and welcome back. In this exercise, we'll see how to generate an address using the wallet library in Rust. So let's get started. Um, Hopefully you have already created an account because that's what we'll need first. So if you've not done that, you don't run that. As an example, this is the first example, that is to create a wallet. The second example is to generate an address. What you'll need is obviously the alias that you would have set. By default, we had set Alice. So that's what we will have to call our account instance of it. Our managed instance will hold the stronghold password, which will just try to unlock it, and then the address we can generate by calling the generate addresses, in which you can specify, how many addresses to generate, and then if everything works, we should be able to see our generated address in a format that we can read by 32. So let's try to run that. And right now we are trying to run the second example, the generate address. Let's see if it works. It should again take a couple of seconds, and we should have a new address generated right away. So our address being generated is this. This obviously might differ based on which network you're connected to, and based on that, the first few characters will differ. This is obviously connected to the Shimmer network, AlphaNet, so this is that syntax. But this should be enough to generate an address. Thank you for this one. See you next time.